First fish of the day. Awesome, finally, at least an hour in. This green curly-tailed jig. Oh, it's a huge perch. Oh my gosh. Yes, another jumbo perch. Oh mama. Oh my gosh. Different day. That could be a 15. Holy cow, that's a huge perch. It's good to go. Looks like. You good? Awesome. Another fish. It's a bass. Larger, yep. Yeah. Might be foul hooked. No. Looks fair. Yeah. Cool. Little smallie on that same. Like a green Mr. Twister. Pretty much some red fleck.
What is that?
Little smallmouth bass. Cool. No, not yet. They're not open yet. There you go, buddy. Another smallie, I think. No, smallie. Yep. Carefully. A little bigger. Okay sized. Oh, you're not bad at all. Big enough where I don't want to lift you. 14, 15? Oh yeah, at least 15, gotta be. Oh yeah, solid smallie. A little bigger than I thought. 15, maybe 15 and a half. Somewhere around there, solid 15. And this same green curly-tailed jig with the red fleck. Awesome fish. Nice fish. Solid 15, 15 and a half or so. Okay. See ya, buddy. Another smallie, this time on a spinner. Oh, you're coming in now, man. There we go. Cool. Not quite as big, but not terrible. I mean, not bad. Unhook him here. And that white bladed spinner. Switching over to walleye mode as it starts to get dark out. Yeah, not bad. 13 to 14, probably in that range. Good little smallie. Fun fight. See you later, buddy.